calling up here in this tree. It's an indigo bunting. He's just singing away. Let's go find our white pelican. There's some swallows flying up and about. There's some gulls hanging out on these floaters. But yeah, the other side that I was just on is usually where I see the white pelicans, but I didn't have any luck, so we're gonna have to try another spot. So I just crossed over the bridge for the Red River, and I looked over and I saw a lot of white birds lined up across the shoreline of the river. And so I'm gonna head back and see what those were. They were pretty big, so I'm hoping for the best. We'll see. I think I found where the pelicans might be at, or I'm hoping they are. So I don't know what to expect, but let's see if we can find some white pelicans. All right, so I'm down by the river. Great blue herons over there, not what I'm looking for. And there's those white birds I was looking at. I don't see pelicans. Let me get a closer look at these white birds. Well, unfortunately, we did not find the American white pelican today for our bird of the day. Just a bunch of great egrets, snowy egrets, all over in this area. Some great blue herons, a couple of least terns, but no American white pelican. I appreciate you guys tuning in, and until next time, see you guys.